Hey folks, my name is Anthony and this is my project Person8. Most agents don't forget because they're careless. They forget because nothing captures how they reason. Every session starts cold, same corpus, same cost, same context plumbing, unless you have some memory plugins that might not work that well. But Person8 is different. It doesn't just explore and store what you know, it also enables you how you got there. Captures your reasoning and make it reproducible. For example, here we have a code boot with no profile and no graph. Just the loop engine runs on Elastic and Google ADK. So first, the session began by feeding a few contexts. Resume, LinkedIn profile, H1B filing, whatever. The engine pulls the facts that matters and started a human in the loop process. Now the human in the loop process is not for verification. It is actually used to align your vision with the agent so it knows how to build your graph properly and captures your reasoning the way you want it. All right. Now what if we try to do something different, right? Instead of working with something towards immigration, what if we want to build a skyscraper in London instead with my context? And what we're gonna do is, instead of compounding knowledge from start, what we're gonna do is we're gonna load a pre-built reasoning graph that we have pre-prepared or we loaded somewhere from the Google Cloud Storage through the preamble, through Elastic, through Google ADK to our current session. And I use those graph and bridge those graph using our context so that we can collect and map the required knowledge to our use case very efficiently, which we're gonna see in a few moments here. And we can load it anytime we want, whenever we want, into our session through Person8, and this is what it looks like. So through the graphs that we have in the Google Cloud Storage, based on the intent that we had, it finds the graphs that we needed and bridge the graphs in between so that it can map the relationship between being an Indonesian citizen. Now once it's once it's able to load the graph, this is where the engine earns its place, right? So Person8 bridges domains it was never trained on together and surface obligations that only exist at those intersections, like dual disclosure, FX, and AML over style, offshore cap, whatever. The answer doesn't live in one corpus, but it lives in between the graphs. It becomes the knowledge base. It becomes the memory for the agent to reason from. In conclusion, at scale, I think the potential is endless. It can be used as enterprise knowledge base, discovery engine, regulation enforcement, whatever you want.